What are the penalties associated with a second DUI conviction within a 5-year period? If you are charged with a DUI and you have a prior conviction, not a charge, but a prior conviction within the last 5 years, then you are going to be looking at some very, very serious penalties and requirements when going through the process if you are convicted of the DUI that you're currently charged with. A second offense DUI, you will be sentenced to not less than 5 days in jail, and you can be sentenced to up to 1 year. The mandatory 5-day sentence cannot be probated, and you would have to serve the 5 days. There is a portion of that section of the code, which is 32-5A-191F, that allows community service to be performed in lieu of 5 days. Essentially, it would be 30 days of community service, which comes out to roughly 240 hours. That is not something that judges automatically or routinely agree to. It's not something that prosecutors routinely agree to. It's something that has to be discussed and negotiated for, and it's important that you have the right lawyer working on your case that is aware of that option and also knows how to present that to the necessary parties so that that could become an option for you if you ultimately end up convicted of the DUI. The fine on a second DUI within 5 years is not less than $1,100 and can be up to $5,100 plus court costs, which range anywhere from $250 up to probably $700 in some courts. You will also have a 1-year driver license revocation. And it's important for you to note that there is no work license, there's no limited driving permit, there's no work permit, there's no license available for you to drive back and forth to work or to school or to the pharmacy to pick up medication. It is not available in Alabama, although we understand that it is available in other states that border Alabama and other states in the country. It just is not an option in Alabama. The judge cannot change that. Once a conviction is entered and it is sent to Montgomery, Montgomery will take an action on your license, and that is not something the judge has the authority to override. Also, the penalty under a second offense within 5 years, you would be required to have an ignition interlock device added to your car, which requires you to submit a breath sample before or during the process of starting your vehicle. And this would begin after your license revocation period ends. So essentially you would have your license revocation period, and then you would have an ignition interlock on your car for 2 years following the time when the license revocation ends. It's also important to note that you will also be required, if convicted, to attend and successfully complete the court referral program, which is drug and alcohol counseling and monitoring, and that is something that would be part of the order. It's required by state law, and you would be subject to that and would have to go through that process. My name's Joseph Kreps. I'm a DUI defense attorney in Alabama. We've handled thousands of DUI and related traffic cases in the state of Alabama, and we can help you. To begin the discussion with our office, all you have to do is call us. We do not charge you to speak to you about your case initially. We don't believe that you should have to pay a consultation fee to discuss your case with a lawyer, find out your options, and we will give you as much information as possible about us, about your case, and about what we can do to help you. I am a member of the National College for DUI Defense. I'm a member of the Alabama Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, member of the National Association for Criminal Defense Lawyers, and I'm also a member of the Texas Criminal Defense Lawyers Association. It's very important that you have a DUI attorney working on your case. there is a very, very, very big difference between an attorney that you talk to that will handle your DUI case and a DUI defense attorney. Call us at our office to begin the discussion. You can reach us at 866-348-2889. You can also visit our website, alabama-DUI-attorney.com. That's the symbol -attorney.com. Thank you very much.